Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Kaisar Mustafa, Pakistani American News Channel. Please like, subscribe and comment on my videos. And to become a member of Pakistani American News Channel, click on thanks. India election. BJP fails to secure majority but Modi-led alliance of parties completes 272 seats to form government. The alliance of parties led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has secured the required 272 seats to form the government. But Modi's Hindu nationalist BJP party has failed to secure a clear parliamentary majority and is expected to win only 240 of the 543 seats. Note that this is far short of the target of 400 seats that he had set during the election campaign. Not long ago, Modi claimed the victory of the NDA group during a speech at the BJP headquarters in Delhi. In his speech, he told voters that he would do everything to root out corruption in his third term. The opposition alliance has fared better than expected and has won 193 seats across the country so far. The Congress party's Rahul Gandhi, widely seen as Modi's main rival, said the results signaled rejection of Modi's plans to change the constitution. Opposition parties have complained of not having a level playing field during the elections. Some leaders were arrested and some parties claimed their bank accounts. Stay with us. Keep watching Pakistani American News Channel.